All right, Squeak.
We left you a while ago. We told you that they were going first because they had a 5 o'clock rule. You said first.
No problem, man. Okay. No problem. I'll get that.
Help the race to make it a 4-car shootout, so we should have preference for you making the race. They would be no 4-car shootout.
They said they made a 4-car shootout. So we can go first. Hey, wait.
Yes, we are. We're going first. No, I'm not racing. I went from 5 to 6. I went from 5 to 6 and from 6 to 7. We're going from 6 to 7.
Go ahead.
Let's go. You win, you win.
Damn, Rambo mad as a mother. Yo, what's up? What's up, goddamn it? Blue Thunder in the goddamn building. What's going on, man?
Ain't a whole lot.
Forecast racing?
Yeah.
So what we doing on July the 6th?
July 6th, we're going to have the big boys coming out the trailer, run with your drum, and see who come out on top, who going to get crowned king of Outer Banks.
King of Outer Banks. King of the All-Star games.
Oh, yeah.
All right, good deal. The biker boys will be here at the Outer Banks July the 6th. Here at the 7th annual All-Star Games, man. A little controversy going on here, and we trying to get it captured, all the sights and sounds. Pro Stock Joe for Smack Talk TV. Come on, man, like and share. You hope I don't interfere with the tree again. I don't know if that's a joke or not, but I'm gonna let that slide today. Rambo, Glenn, Tricky Riddick. What the fuck they trying to do to you, man?
I done gone from 5 o'clock to 6 and from 6 to 7. Then he want another car go down there. 2 cars go down there first. Read my lips. No, let's race.
You said read my lips?
If you can see them.
No new cars. No, no new cars.
Let's race, man.
Let's race. Read my lips.
If we don't make the trip,
I like that shit. Read my lips. Let's race.
my lips. Let's race.
Motherfucker. What is it?
I ain't say that, nigga.
What is it? What is it? Come on, Rambo. Rambo, what is it? What is it? A poor motherfucker. Okay. Squeak.
No,
what we doing? How you feel about it?
We gonna find out in a minute.
All right, good shit, baby. Fly Wicked Bird. Rambo. Grudge Track of the Year He killed him on the tree. What's going on, doctor? Oh my God, what a tree job. What a tree job. What a tree job. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tree job, tree job, tree job. You don't have to look at the ground. All you have to do is look at the tree. The race was lost right there. He gave the man a head start. You gave the man a head start. Wow. Wow. Wow.